Hello YouTubers, subscribers and friends, welcome to my channel. It is a muggy day out right now. Look at this. 11 o'clock in the afternoon. It's almost 90. There's the humidity there. Come out here, I'm going to wet my girls down. What's going on, Brownie? Got their new tarp fixed. It's really sticky out right now. Hey Josie, can I say hello, Josie? Here. Say hello, Josie. Let Jerry run around with the girls for a little bit because I got to go to town. I got to go meet up with my wife. Take my daughter down there and drop her off with my wife. It's sticky out here. Gotta clean the dog's pools. This is Molly's pool. My sister got it for Molly and Harley, but they never use the pool, and they always stay inside. So I have to clean this pool and gotta clean that pool. And look at Brownie. Brownie's like, I don't want to get wet. Josie will get wet. Josie, come here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. She'll get wet. Come on, girl. Good girl. Come here. She loves to get wet. That's what she loves to do after I wet her. Brownie, you don't want to get wet, girl? Huh? You want to get wet, girl? You're so pretty, Brownie, huh? You're so pretty, girl. Alright, I won't wet you. I get a lot of people ask me, this is my radio. It doesn't work. There's no radio. Ask me, how do I listen to the radio on my phone if my radio doesn't work? Well, it's easy. You use earbuds. The things that I showed you in the beginning of the video were wireless Bluetooth earbuds, and I only wear one earbud when I'm listening. That way I have one ear open for traffic or sirens or anything like that. So I have unlimited data on my cell phone, so you don't hear music playing now because it's on the earbuds, wireless earbuds. And I have a Samsung Galaxy S9, and those earbuds, I want to say earbuds, but those earbuds are for the Samsung phone. And I bought them for my son, so when he don't use them, I use them. And if he's using them, I have regular earbuds that I use. I just plug into my phone. And that's why I no longer need a radio. I mean, I'm not going to go out and spend hundreds of dollars on a radio. This is a 2012 Ford Focus, and not only Ford Focuses, the radios are blowing out, and people are telling me left and right that they have problems with their radios too, but I have so many other people with so many other different Ford type of automobiles, and they're having the same problem. And I don't use GPS on my navigation or anything on my radio, so I don't use it on my phone either, so I don't need a radio in my car. Even when I drive my wife's car, I never turn the radio on because I'm so used to driving without a radio in the car. So there is hope for people out there when your radio blows out. You know, everybody has a cell phone, and everybody can get on the internet on their cell phone, and every radio station you can listen to online. So it's just like, why do I need to go out and buy a radio for my car? You know, I'm 55 years old. I'm not 19 or 20-year-old kid who needs to put, you know, a $1,500 radio system in his car with big boombox speakers. I don't need that garbage. You know, I can just plug in the earbuds or, you know, Bluetooth the earbuds, and I'm doing just as good and listen to the exact same music as if I would if I had it in the car. Alright, I gotta go meet up with my wife. Gotta drive to town. Got my daughter with me. Alright, it's probably an hour later. I'm leaving. My daughter's with my wife. Look at that. Gonna head over to this park over here I haven't been to in a while. Big cottonwood tree there. Check out this place here. They sell metal yard art, pottery. I was just driving by, did a U-turn. Got a lot of cool stuff here. Cool pottery. Cool stuff, man. Giant prickly pear cactus. Alright, this is the park. It's a big park. It's a park slash zoo slash golf course. And this is the where the Arizona Diamondbacks come down here and train. And they got 2 lakes over here. Got a beautiful golf course. I haven't played any golf in about 10 years. I used to play it every single day when we lived in Florida. It's a nice little drive right here. This is the, I don't know what you call that, arena? Arizona Baseball High Corbett Field. This is where they train. I'm not really into baseball though. And then you go this way, and this is where the zoo is, this way. This is the way to the zoo. I think it's called Reed Park Zoo. I've been in this zoo in forever. And then the Randolph Park is right next to it. This is the zoo. Let's go see how much it costs to get in. $3 to ride the train. Here, they give me a pamphlet. Here's the prices. You can pause it and read it. I'm going to go over here and walk in the park now. Look at all these flowers.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Oh,
All kinds of dragonflies here flying around. There's one right there. There was a turtle sitting on here and he jumped in there before I could get to him. Another turtle. Man, there's all kinds of different sized turtles here. Small, huge. That ice cream truck music is annoying. Look at all these ducks here. Come here, ducky. Nice walk with some nice scenery. It's a weird looking duck there. Look at his mouth, man. He's got like a kind of like a seagull type thing he's doing there. That waterfall is loud. We got a rose garden over there. Every time I come here it's closed. So let's go over there and see if it's open. Look at this turtle right here. A lot of turtles here. We used to swim in these lakes when we were kids. There's another turtle right over there. And then there's a lake right over here too. Let's go to the lake first and then we'll go see if that rose garden thing is open. Look at the babies. It's 109 out right now with 35% humidity. I see you, turtle, spying on me over here. Huh? I see you got the truth. Hit the subscribe button. I speak duck. He was asking me what's my channel. Smaller lake. There's a lot of ducks over here. Is that a goose or is that a swan? Can't tell. Hey, one of you guys know if that's a goose or a swan? There's a... They're not scared. Look at that weird looking one. Look at his feathers on his back. Looks like rubber. Pigeons getting along with the ducks. Look at this tree. See thing is huge. Arizona's beautiful. Look at this duck here. That thing's nice looking. I'm gonna call you barbecue sauce. What's your name, duck? And then the waterfall starts over there, goes up and goes down. Oh, the palm trees. This is a beautiful area. Got a nice breeze coming across the lake. Feels nice and cool right here. It's probably been a year since the last time I've been over here. Let me walk to the top here where the waterfall is. Got a waterfall going this way and you got a waterfall going that way. It goes all the way around. That's a beautiful tree. And it goes all the way down to that lake over there. Let's go see if that rose garden's open. This is the other lake. We used to come here all the time, have picnics here as kids. Randolph Park. Rose test garden. Okay, it's open. Cool. Let's go inside. Take a look around. One way in though. Look at these roses here. Different color roses here. I don't know what color they are now. I'll ask my wife when I get home. She'll look at them and tell me. I can just only guess. Let's see what's over here. It is so muggy and hot right now. Some big ones right here. I bet this smells awesome in here when it rains. Listening to talk radio as I was hiking around here. I normally don't listen to music when I'm hiking, but I'm in the park and my phone shut off and it says phone overheating. I've never seen that before. That's how hot and humid it is out right now. Oh, something in here running around. I don't know what it is. So my phone is overheated. I'm soaking wet. I've been walking over here for like 45 minutes. You have to keep your eyes open for snakes too. I've never ever seen or heard of a snake in this park, but you never know. One way in, one way out. There's a whole bunch of flowers. Let's go take a look at them over here. Look at all these flowers here. I think I'm going to head back to my car. I probably got about half a mile, 3/4 of a mile to walk back to my car. And it's so friggin' hot. If you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button. It don't cost anything. It's free. Like always, be kind to people, treat people the way you would like to be treated. Treat it with kindness. And if the Lord willing and the creeks don't rise, I'll see you guys in my next videos. Thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. I'm gone. Oh, I'm gone.